Hello and welcome to my all and everything channel and nothing channel. I just did an unboxing of my portable floppy disk, and at first I was gonna wait until tomorrow to do a video of me actually doing it. I may in a way probably don't have to, because I have to do all this, install this shit. I thought I just had to plug it in, but well, actually I don't, because it didn't come with it. Okay, so this is it. Like I said before, I still have floppy disk. I know a lot of people don't use floppy disk, but as you can see, I do. I don't know exactly what's all on it, and because the computer we have now, it don't have a floppy disk, so. And the computer that we did have, it don't work anymore, so I hooked it up. See, I hooked it up. That's right there, it's hooked up. And that was my floppy disk. And see, that's me right. I'm doing the video. Let's see if it pops up. Let's see. Oh, look, it's right there. It says floppy drive. It didn't say that before. See, I'm gonna actually show you that it didn't say that first. Hold up. I'm gonna right click. Well, I'm just gonna stop it. I'm gonna pause it. See? And see how it don't say floppy disk anymore? So let me cut it back on. And see, that go floppy disk right there. Right there. Let's test this bag bugger out. Let's see. Let's try. Oh, I have two sets. See, one set right here, one set right here. Some of them I have names on. I named them, but like I said, my old computer had it, and I kept on changing it, so I don't know exactly what's on them. If the name that's on I have on here is really what's on them. So let's try. Oh, they stick together. Let's see, it says right here, it is online pictures #1, because I have a lot of pictures I like to online. So let's see, I'm gonna, for the first time, put it, my bad. Okay, for the first time, I'll put it in. So you gotta put it in like this, like that. It turned green. Okay, then you look over here to the computer. I'll go to the. Let's see. Oh, I gotta click on the floppy disk. Duh. Click on the floppy disk, and then that make that noise. You probably can't hear it, but making noise. And I guess it's reading it. The computer's reading it. Yeah, because you see it's circling. Let's try it again. Keep on coming up with this error. I think I gotta install something first. This is gonna be the end of this right for a second. I'll do part 2. If I don't do it to the video of it today, I'll probably just do it tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do part 2 of this video tomorrow, because I think I got to install something, but it didn't come with a disc. So, but I'm gonna do part 2 of this tomorrow. Okay, peace, love, and be good.